One of your product designers needs to incorporate some of their new designs into the organization's library. Branches allow them to create a dedicated environment within the file where they can safely explore their ideas. They can add some new icons and styles and make changes to existing components without disrupting the main file. They can even invite other designers to work with them in their branch. Branches receive any updates made in the main file, allowing you to manage any conflicts as they arise. Branches also give teams a more robust way to manage changes to files and libraries at scale. When designs are ready to share, submit the branch for review. Designated reviewers can approve any changes before they're merged into the main file. Branches are not just for libraries and design systems. You can use them for handoff, testing, experiments, and any other explorations. Want to see how your website looks like in Red and Lobster? You can create a branch and explore to your heart's content without alienating your resident font enthusiast. Ready to get started? Branching is only available on Figma design files for teams on the organization plan. Open the File menu in the toolbar, select Create Branch, and give it a name. Your branch now has a copy of everything in the main file. Branches look similar to regular files, but you can tell you're in a branch from the toolbar where you'll find the file and branch names separated by the branching icon. With your branch created, you're free to explore. The world is your, lobster? If you're contributing to a shared file, other collaborators may be editing or merging branches on the main file. Figma will notify you in your branch if there are any changes to the main file. You'll also see available updates when creating a review or merging the branch. If there are updates but no conflicts, go ahead and apply those changes. If there are conflicting changes, you'll need to resolve them to continue. View the list of the conflicts on the left, click to compare versions, then select the main or branch. To select the same version for every conflict, use the Resolve All menu. Click to confirm your choices. When you're ready to incorporate your changes into the main file, you can review and merge your branch. Click the arrow next to the branch name in the toolbar and select Review and Merge Changes. View the status and details of the branch and add a detailed description. This will show up in the review and in the file's version history. If you have edit access to the main file, you can merge with or without review. Click Merge Without Review to apply your changes to the main file. If you have view-only access to the main file, or want someone else to review your work, you can request a review. Click Add next to a suggested reviewer, or search for another collaborator. Reviewers don't need edit access to the main file, but will need edit access to the branch. If you want the reviewer to also merge the branch, make sure to select an editor on the main file. Click to request a review. An In-Review badge will show up in the toolbar and Figma will notify reviewers that the branch is ready for review. Any reviewer can click the notification to start the review process. View the branch details and description, then explore changes by page. Badges indicate added, edited, removed, or updated layers. Select a change to view versions side by side, or overlay changes above the original. Switch tabs to view any other layers affected by the change. Then, use the arrows to navigate between changes. Click to approve the changes in the branch. Only editors on the main file can merge a branch. Once a branch is approved, an editor can click Merge to apply the changes to the main file and archive the branch. Merging a branch can't be undone, but you can restore to a previous version of the file. Look out for the merge checkpoint in the file's version history. Branching gives you greater control and peace of mind when making changes at scale, whether you're contributing to a shared library or exploring ideas in design files. Give branching a try in your organization today, or talk to our sales team about upgrading to the organization plan. Be sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date on the latest product and community news.